Now let us start about Microsoft Power BI. So here first we will understand what is Microsoft Power BI. Look at this diagram. You can see here various data sources are there. Then your Microsoft Power BI in the middle, and you can see the output, how we can see something visually interactive. So you can see here, I can broad level, I can see what is happening on this. So instead of seeing the data in typical like an Excel or a tabular format, we can see in a different or in a visually attractive way. Now look at this. Here I have created a sales analysis dashboard where you'll be able to see what is the profit, discount, sales, you can see, and sales by customer segment, you can see here, and also by product category. You can see here, you will be able to see by product name and the city. So visually attractive things, we can see it here. Now this is what exactly Microsoft Power BI is. This is a business analytics tool. So let us say you as an organization you want to check how many sales are happening from last quarter, what are the things that you can increase on your business, and you can do an analysis of your data, and you will be able to understand what exactly your customer or the clients are looking out for. Now this is a business analytics tool which was released in July 2011 by Microsoft itself, and it will allow us the users to visualize the data, and also we can share in our organization. You'll be able to share it in the Microsoft Teams, in SharePoint Online. In fact, you can also share this report into a normal website also. You'll be able to share it. Now with Power BI, we will be able to connect with various data sources. So there are a lot of data sources are available from where we can get the data, and we can able to show, or we will be able to generate this kind of reports. So in terms of dashboard and reports. Now for example, here you can see there is another sales report for an organization. You will be able to see how much sales your sales executives are doing quarterly or weekly, what are the products that your executives are able to sell mostly. So we can do all this analysis, and you can grow your business. So there are basically three main elements on this Power BI: Power BI desktop, Power BI service, Power BI mobile. We will go in depth on these topics, but just on high level, if I'll tell you, in Power BI desktop we will be able to create, we can install locally in our system, and we'll be able to create report from there. Power BI service, which we can do online, and then Power BI mobile, as the name suggests, you will be able to download and install the app in your mobile devices. Now why we will use Power BI? So as I said, we can have a rich visualization and interactive dashboards or reports we will be able to having in a solution. And also by using these reports, we can click and you will be able to see in-depth analysis of your data. Now there are these 5 reasons that we will discuss why we are using Power BI as one of the data analytics tool. So because it is easy to use, really it is very easy to use. Interface is very easy. If you install Power BI desktop, then it is really easy to use it. And as I said, connect to a data source is just a few clicks away, and you will be able to connect to data sources. Whether your data is in Excel, in SharePoint, in SQL Server, in Oracle, anywhere your data is there, we will be able to connect. And also we can easily collaborate with other your co-workers. So within a single workspace, you can work in the report or in the dashboard. And then cost effective. So there is a free version, or Power BI desktop is there, where as a user you can go and create your reports, and you can see how your data is. You can do an analysis of your data. And also there is Power BI Pro version is also available, which is on $9.99 per month per user, and that we can use for if you want to use some pro services. And also you can do data visualization, data shaping, data modeling with Power BI, and those things are making this Power BI tool very much powerful. Now what are the components? One is Power Query. So here you can, let's say you get your data, then you can transform it, you can shape it, you can enhance your data from these various data sources. Power Pivot. So here this is the data modeling tool which we can use to create data model. And when Power View, so this is the data visualization tool where we can have graphs, charts, maps, and all these things. Power Map is also there, where we will be able to create 3D visuals, and same way there are Power Q&A answer is there, basically question and answer, which will allow us to ask questions, and based on that it will generate the report. Now, what are the advantages of using Power BI? First of all, you can integrate easily with existing apps. As you know, nowadays a lot of companies are using Microsoft Teams, and within Microsoft Teams they want to see their reports. They don't want to go anywhere else. So you can easily integrate that. You can have customizable dashboards. So you can, if you have in Power BI desktop, you can do that also. You can publish your report securely to the service, and then from there you can embed it to any SharePoint site or Teams or anywhere. And it is really simple, and in terms of performance wise as well. And you can easily access your data. Power BI reports also can be viewed in different platforms. Like for example, you will be able to see this through your Power BI mobile, tablet, dashboard, anywhere you will be able to see it. Another most important feature is the drag and drop functionality. So easily you can configure it, and then we can see it. Now, who are the competitors that those are using Power BI? Who are the competitors to this Power BI tool? Tableau is there, quite popular, quite old tool, and then CSense is there, Locker is there, ClickSense is also there. A lot of companies are using that, and then SAP Analytics Cloud, and many more are there actually if you look at the competitors. But why Power BI is taking into market? Because it is coming with as a part of Office 365 bundle, so you don't really need to have a separate license for that, as long as you are not using any pro services. So if you have Office 365 license, then you will be able to use this also. You can download and install, and you can use that. And there are a lot of organizations who are using. These are just a few organizations that you can see here: Nokia, HP, KPMG. There are a lot of small to large organizations they are using. Even I am working with a client. They are using Power BI to see their daily sales report. There are few sales executives are there, where they want to track their details. So basically, what is the monthly sale, quarterly sale, like this, each executive, those things they want to see it. So these are basically the organizations which are using Power BI. Lot more organizations are there, they are using Power. So in the next video we will see about the licensing and how we can access Power BI.